Hi friends, welcome to Science Theta. Studying is not complex. In our previous videos, we are discussing about viscosity and what is their units and how to derive those units, and comparison between kinematic viscosity and dynamic viscosity are discussed. In today's lecture, we are discussing about one problem regarding this concept, that is viscosity. First of all, problem. A liquid has a specific gravity of 1.9 and kinematic viscosity of 6 strokes. What is its dynamic viscosity? First of all, what they are giving is specific gravity and then kinematic viscosity. What we find out? Dynamic viscosity. So we already know about these three concepts. Okay, these three are properties of fluids. So here we know about specific gravity, viscosity and dynamic viscosity formulas. So we are using these three formulas to get our dynamic viscosity, what they are asking. So first of all, we are writing given data. Okay, first of all, given specific gravity, that is SC is equal to 1.9, and next one is kinematic viscosity, that is represented by the letter mu, that is equal to 6 strokes. So here units conversion is must and should. Okay, before going to our topic, here 6 strokes, we know that 1 stroke is equal to 1 centimeter square per second. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Is that clear? Why? Because 100 is going there, or that is equal. So for our simplification, 100 means 10 square centimeter. So whenever 10 square is going LHS side, then 10 to the power of minus 2 is there. Okay, so here we have centimeter square. So what will happen? 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square, squaring on both sides. So that's why 1 stroke is equal to, what happened, 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. So 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square per second. This is the unit conversion of, okay, 1 stroke to meter square per second. So 1 stroke is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square per second. Is that clear? So 1 stroke is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeter square per second. So here what is given? V is equal to 6 strokes. So 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square per second. Sorry, here this is the meter square. Why? Because 10 to the power of minus 4 is there. So meter square per second. This is the unit conversion of kinematic viscosity from strokes to meter square per second. And next one is, what they are giving is S. S is equal to 1.9. We know the formula about S. S is equal to density of liquid by density of standard fluid. Here the standard fluid is liquid from problem. So this is the liquid. Okay, this is the liquid. So the standard fluid is liquid. So here the standard fluid for liquids is water. So S into density of standard fluid is equal to density of liquid. So from this we know that 1.9 S value into standard fluid is water. So water density is 1000 is equal to density of liquid. So that implies density of liquid is equal to 1900 kg per meter cube. Is that clear? And we know the kinematic viscosity formula, that is mu is equal to mu by rho. From here itself we would like to find about mu, that is dynamic viscosity, is equal to mu into rho. Okay, we know the values of nu and rho. So nu is 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into rho is 1900. So we find from our calc then mu is equal to how much? 6 into, first of all, 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 1900 is equal to 1.14, that is 1.14 Newton second by meter square. So the value of dynamic viscosity mu is 1.14 Newton second per meter square. Is that clear? I hope you understand this video. If you have any doubts regarding this problem, then contact me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you.